Hello dear students, now let us turn towards our next point, streams of migration, different types of migration. So people migrate from one region to another region. So let us see what are the various streams of migration. First of all, internal migration within the country. People migrate from one state to another state, or people migrate from one district to another district. So if people migrate from one state to another state, that is interstate, and if people migrate from one district to another district, that is intrastate. So it is internal migration within the country. Okay, next is international migration, that is immigration and emigration. If people, let us see here, if people moving out of the country, that is called immigration, and if people coming to the country, emigration. Other than these two types of migration, there are four streams. A, rural to rural, that is called village to village migration. B, rural to urban, that is from village to city. C, urban to urban. And D, urban to rural. Urban to rural, from large city to village. When people get retired, then they come from large city to their birthplace again. Dear students, these are four important streams of migration. Remember this: rural to rural, village to village, rural to urban, that is village to city, urban to urban, city to city, and last urban to rural, from city to village. In India, according to 2001 census, there were 315 million migrants on the basis of last residence. We have already studied types of migrations. Once again, I would like to recall you, if I born in Delhi and I went to Pune for job, this is migration on the basis of birth. I born in Delhi, but now I went to Pune for job, and when I was in Pune, that time counting was done. So this is migration on the basis of birth. But from Pune, I came to Nagpur for particular purpose, and when I was in Nagpur, counting was done. So this is the migration on the basis of last residence. This is my last residence and I came to Nagpur. Such migrants on the basis of last residence were 315 million. And out of that 315 million migrants, 98 million migrants changed this residence also, and they went to Mumbai. 98 million out of 315 million. So they went to Mumbai or another city, wherever. From Nagpur to another city. So out of 315, 98 million changed their last residence in 10 years period. And out of this 98, 81 million people changed their last residence in the same state, from Nagpur to Maharashtra, same state, Nagpur to any other city of Maharashtra, same state. That is called intrastate migrants. So 315 million total migrants on the basis of last residence. 98 million changed their residence in last 10 years, and out of that 98, 81 migrated from one city to another city in the same state, intrastate migration. Now, who migrates in a large number, especially female? Female is the category who are dominating in migration. Why female only? Why they migrate from one place to another place more than in compared to male? Because of marriages. Because of marriage they need to migrate. Now let us see the distribution of male and female migrants. Dear students, here two figures are given. Let us see these two figures. First 2.A, second 2.AB. Now this first is intrastate migration, intrastate inside the state, within a state, and second is interstate migration. And this first bar is for male and it is for female. Male, female, male, female, male, female. You can see here maximum migrants are female. Maximum migrants are female in intrastate migration. Why maximum migrants are female? Already we discussed the reason. That reason is marriages. So female are the most important factor in migration in intrastate. But when we see the picture of interstate, in interstate, at one place male dominate the female. Why? Because most of the economic reasons, this is interstate, from one state to another state. We have seen most of the workers, most of the laborers, they migrate from Bihar, Uttar Pradesh to Maharashtra, and they are male. Maximum male migrate from Bihar, Uttar Pradesh to Maharashtra. So in interstate, this is the category, that is rural to urban. Rural to urban, most of the male migrate more than female. But at some places again female are dominating, female dominating, female dominating. These are four streams: rural to rural, rural to urban, urban to rural, and urban to urban. Already we have seen that four streams. So these are the important numbers mentioned here, that who is migrating more. So in intrastate, female are more. Inside the state, in one state only, like Madhya Pradesh, from Indore to Bhopal, Bhopal to Jabalpur, Jabalpur to Gwalior. So in this way, female are more. But when we discuss about interstate, so in interstate, in the second category, rural to urban, from small village to city, male are more. And the most important reason is economic reason. The most important reason and cause is economic cause, because they need to move out from home for the purpose of job. And why female do migration? Because of marriages, and that migration is short distance migration. From rural to rural, it is short distance migration. Other than these four streams, there are two other streams, that is immigration and emigration. Immigration move from the country and emigration come to the country. This data they have shown in table 2.1. So let us see table 2.1. Here in table 2.1, it is shown that 5 million people, those who come to India from all over the world, 5 million people, that is 51,55,423. Out of that, 49 lakh people come to India from neighboring countries only. You just see these neighboring countries here: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. And the number is also given 9,000, that is then from Bangladesh 30 lakh. This matter we are listening in news headlines regularly. 0.2% from Afghanistan, 59% migrants. These are 49 lakh, 95%. Out of that 95%, 59% migrants are coming from Bangladesh alone. Maybe some of them are illegal migrants. Then Bhutan 0.2%, China 0.5%, Myanmar 1%, Nepal 11%, Pakistan also 19%, Sri Lanka 2%. So you just study this table. This table will give us exact and more and detailed information about migrants, those who are coming to India. Those who are coming to India. So when these people are coming to India, that time most of the people are moving out also. Most of the people are also moving out of the India and going to the various countries. That number also let us see here. How many people are moving out from India? So let us study. Nearby 20 million people are Indian diaspora, Indian migrants, and they spread across 110 countries. If people are coming to India, how many people? 5 million. At the same time, 20 million people are moving out for different purposes in 110 countries.